This video will cover submitting a link to these forums. That's how you're going to submit some of your work, as well as sharing settings in Google Drive and a couple of keyboard shortcuts. So these are my behavior and expectation slides. I'm going to share them to that forum. First, I want to make sure that anybody with the link is able to view these slides. Anyone with the link can view. Once that is set, I copy the link back over to Moodle. Here in Moodle, I'm going to click on this forum titled Expectation Posters, and then I will create a post with a link to my posters. Okay, I add a discussion topic, and it says here to create a new post with a link and to make sure that the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view the work. Add a discussion topic, say what it is and my name. So I'm Mr. GD, and these are my behavior and expectation posters. I could just type Control V in the body of the post, but I want to make it look a little neater. So I will type click here to check out my posters. Okay, a couple keyboard shortcuts here that I use all the time. I'm going to hold Shift and Command or Control and then type the left arrow. That will select everything in that line, and then hold down Control or Command and type K. That allows me to turn that text into a link. Here I will paste it, of course, Control V, and I want it to open in a new window. Always check that option if it's available to you in Moodle. That's it. That's how you submit your work. After you submit it, you can keep working on it. So there you go. I am genuinely very excited to see what you have to share. You'll do the same thing for the signals and expectations as you will for the simple story shapes. Bye.